Hey guys, Mr. Bernard here. So we're going to be going over our next assignment. So let's do question number 1. So when we do this, we're going to have log base L, because that's what comes first. It's equal to E, so that comes next, equals M, the exponent. If we want to check our work, L to the M equals E. Question number 2, what is log base 3x equals A written in exponential form? So again, same work. So we'll have 3 to the A equals X, and that's going to be choice A. Same thing again, question number 3, what is log base A x equals B written in exponential form? A to the B equals X, and this is just it in reverse, so choice B. Question number 4, we want to write this in logarithmic form. So A comes first, so we're going to have log base A C, because that's what comes second, and equals B, so that is the exponent. So, and if we checked our work, we'd have A to the B equals C. Number 5, same thing. I'm just going to move the 1/16 to over here. So we'll have log base 4 1/16 equals -2. And if we checked our work, we have 4 to the -2 equals 1/16, which is true. Number 6, same thing. Log 9/27 equals 3/2, and if we want to check our work, 9 to 3/2 is 27, and we know that because 9 square root 9 cubed equals 3 cubed, which again 27. And number 7, so we're going to have 1/3 to the 4th power, and that's equal to 1 over 81. Number 8, so log base 2 8 equals X, because we want to find the value of it. Then we'll have 2 to the X equals 8, 2 to the X equals 2 to the 3rd power, so X equals 3. And now we'll take a look at number 9. So log base 3 1/3, we'll have 3 equals X, 3 to the X equals 1/3. So how do we figure this out? So 3 to the X equals 3 to the -1st power, because this is equal to that, right? 1/3 is technically 1 over 3 to the 1st power, so if we brought that up and made our exponent negative, we'd have 3 to the -1st. So X equals -1. Another way to solve that, you could say ln of 3 to the X equals ln 3 to the -1. And because these are both the same ln, we get X equals -1. Number 10, this question is very similar. So we're going to have log of 1/4, log base 1/4, 1/16 equals X. So log 1/4 to the X power is 1/16. So 4 to the -X equals 4 to the -half. To the -2. Bring our ln, so we get ln 4 to the -X equals ln 4 to the -2. X equals -2, so X equals 2. Number 11. We're going to have X to the -2nd power equals 9, which is equal to 1 over 3 to the negative 2. So choice B. And then 1 over 3 to the negative 2 is the same as 3 squared equals 9. So choice B. Number 12, we're going to have 4 to the third power equals x. So what is 4 cubed? 64. Number 13, 9 to the 3 halves power equals x. So that's the same as 9 to 3 halves equals the square root of 9 cubed, which is 3 to the third power, which is 27. So choice C. Number 14, we have x to the 1/3 power equals 2. So 8 to the 1/3 power is the cubed root of 8, which is just 2. So choice D. Number 15, we have log base 3 x minus 2. So we have 3 to the second power equals x minus 2. 9 equals x minus 2. So x equals 11. Number 16, we have log base x 1 over 16 equals negative 2. So x equals negative 2 to the negative 2 equals 1/16. So you get x to the minus 2 to the minus 1/2 power equals 1/16 to the same. So that's equal to the square root of 16. So x is equal to just 4. Number 17, we have the log base 27x equals negative 2 over 3. So 27 to the negative 2 over 3 power is equal to 1 over 27 to the 2/3 power, which ends up being the cubed root of 27 squared. So that is 1 over 3 squared. So that is 1/9. And that's our answer for 17. Number 18, we have log base 10 2x plus 6 equals 1. So we have 2x plus 6 equals 10 to the first power. So just 10. So 2x equals 4, and then x equals 2. We got 2x equals 4 because we subtract 6 from both sides. So x equals 2. And lastly, number 19. We have log base 2 x squared minus 2x plus 15 equals 2. So now we'll have x squared minus 2x plus 5 equals 2 squared. So then x squared minus 2x plus 5 equals 4. So x squared, if we subtract 4 from both sides, x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. And if we factor this, we have x minus 1 squared equals 0. So x minus 1 equals 0. And lastly, x equals 1. And that is everything.